struggle in a bright kitchen, frustration on face. The weight loss journey is depicted through vibrant salads and energetic exercise, contrasted with fleeting glimpses of unhealthy cravings and sedentary moments. A voice softly echoes, "Losing weight can feel like an uphill battle," acknowledging the overwhelming challenges of constant cravings and information overload. Hope emerges with the introduction of Mitolyn, a revolutionary supplement promising to ease the weight loss journey. Inside the laboratory, screens flash with animated infographics and scientific data, proclaiming Mitolyn, the science behind weight loss. A voiceover narrates the science of Mitolyn, detailing its key ingredients and their impact on weight loss, as vibrant visuals depict metabolic processes. Within the bustling fitness studio, a split screen reveals a dramatic transformation, before and after using Mitolyn, where stark contrasts in appearance and vitality spark curiosity. On-screen text proclaims, "Real results with Mitolyn," showcasing a symphony of before and after photos and dynamic video clips that capture the essence of physical triumph. The narrator's voice resonates with conviction as testimonials from satisfied customers emphasize their weight loss journeys and the transformative impact of Mitolyn. In the sun-drenched doctor's office, a grave declaration echoes, "The following is expert medical advice. Consult with your doctor before starting any weight loss program." The doctor, with a blend of solemnity and conviction, asserts, "Mitolyn works because it targets the root cause of weight gain. It's clinically proven and doctor recommended." As scientific data illuminates the screen, the doctor's reassuring smile promises hope, highlighting the proven effectiveness of Mitolyn with compelling charts and graphs. The narrator then reveals the campaign slogan, "See the science, feel the difference, Mitolyn." In a sun-drenched apartment, a person seamlessly integrates Mitolyn into their daily routine, embodying simplicity and health. The screen illuminates with the empowering message, "Easy to use, your daily dose of Mitolyn." A step-by-step guide unfolds, promising ease and convenience with every dose of Mitolyn.